Hello students, welcome back to Alchemy School online class. So today we are going to learn one topic from chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. Okay, so our today's topic is to find the solution of linear equation in two variable. So let me explain you how to find solution of linear equation in two variable with an example, right? So I have taken an example, x plus y is equals to 6. X plus y is equals to 6. So how to find solutions for this equation? So here a simple linear equation in one variable is given, then we can find it easily. That we have already learned in class 8. But now here there are two variables. So how to find value for this? So here the first step, what you need to do, you need to let the value of any of one variable. We need to assume any real value for any of the variable given in linear equation of two variables. Okay, so here this is our main step. Okay, so let me explain you how to take values. So suppose first here we are finding first solution. Okay, so our equation is x plus y is equals to 6. In this equation I will assume value of x equals to 1. Let me assume value of x equals to 1. So here we need to put in place of x, this value we need to put in place of x. So in place of x we will put 1 plus y is equals to 6. So y will be equals to 6 minus 1. Y is equals to 5. Right students? Y is equals to 5. So our coordinates x comma y, or you can say solution x comma y, is 1 comma 5. This is our one of the solution for linear equation in two variables. Now you can cross verify. You can verify this also. If you put 1 over here and 5 over here, so 1 plus 5, again it will make 6 only. So this way we can find solution for linear equation. Let me explain with, here I have taken value of x. Now suppose a question arises in the mind, why sir has not taken value of y, variable y? You can also take value for variable y also. So let y is equals to 2. Suppose this time I have taken value for variable y. So I will put this value in equation. So x plus y is equals to 6. In place of y we will put 2. X plus 2 is equals to 6. So here x will become as 6 minus 2, 4. So our x comma y is equals to 4 comma 6. This you can say this is the solution, or you can also write x is equals to 4, y is 2, and y is equals to 2. This is our solution of linear equation. I hope you all are clear how to find solution. We need to assume, we need to let value of any of the variable and then put it in the equation and to obtain the other value. Okay, here you can also take negative value also. It is not compulsory. We need to take positive value only. Suppose third one, this was our first solution, this is our second solution. Suppose third one, let me take x equals to minus 1. In place of x I will put minus 1. We can take negative value also. So in place of x I will put minus here. So here this 1 is with the minus sign. If it will go on right hand side, it will get converted into plus. So it will be y is equals to 7. So our required solution, x is equals to, when we have taken x equals to -1, then our y comes to be 7. So we can write like this, x comma y is -1 comma 7. Okay, so this way you can take any real value for any of the variable. Either we can take for x or either we can take value for y. And this way we can find solution for linear equation in two variables. I hope you all have understood it better. Thank you. We will meet in next video.